Hey loves, come set up my grass wall with me. So I got these grass panels from Amazon. It's 16 that come in a pack, about 160. So if you think about purchasing these, hit up my storefront. They'll be there for you all to purchase. So I got my Sonya blade 2-piece on. And you know I need a stool because I'm only 5'3" and still wasn't able to get all the way up on the top of the wall. So I left my ladder at my mom's house. I had to settle for my suitcase. And I'm scared. Pray for me because if I fall, it's over for me. Especially with these wall tacks in my mouth. So some people use a staple gun. I saw a person use command strips, and I also seen people use nails. But I feel like the wall tacks work as well. But whatever works for you, use it. It's really easy to do. And I know you guys have seen my grass wall plenty of times. Like I have decorated this grass wall in so many ways. So I knew that I had to bring it to the new house and still set it up. At first I wanted it in my bathroom. So these two doors is my walk-in closet and my bathroom. But I just felt like this would look different. And I just can't wait to see how it turns out. So now we're on the next wall. And this one was pretty easy. I had about 4 or 5 panels already connected to each other. So here I am just doing the same thing on this side of the wall. Still on my stool and suitcase. But we making it work, you know. Gotta do what we gotta do. And this is literally at 12 o'clock in the morning, you guys. Like, I just was like, let me put this up because it's been sitting in the box for like a good week. And I was like, I gotta start decorating this house. So this has looking on both sides. So now we're on the top going across. And I did these one by one because who was going to hold the other end for me? But seriously, if you want to transform and elevate any space, get a grass wall. When I tell y'all, it really makes a big difference. Like, it makes your room look 10 times better. Like, I love having this grass wall, and there's just so many things you can do with it. So many ways you can style it. You can add flowers, LED lights, LED signs, regular lights. You can, like, don't hesitate to get it. It's really worth it. I will have this in my storefront if you all would like to purchase one. I also have a lot of other items there that you may like. So after this video, just go check out my storefront. I love you all. Thanks for all the love and support. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the fam. And I have a lot of new videos coming up for you guys this year, and I will be consistent. It was going so perfect until that happened, but we still on the road. I just had to adjust the long side so this little piece can fit. So here I am filling in the spaces from some pieces that I cut off from a panel. And once you cut it, just be prepared for a mess all over your floor. So I always wanted my room to have grass all over it. But these boxes cost $160, and I'm gonna need like a total of 5 boxes. But comment below if you think that's gonna look cute for my room. I never seen nobody have a full room of grass, and I want to be the first one to try it. So let me know in the comments if y'all think that'd be cute for my room. I had an idea to put this mirror right here and fill in the spaces with the grass wall. And I decided not to do it because I felt like the grass wall was already standing out on its own and it didn't need anything extra. So here's the final look, and I love it so much. It looks so good. It's very much given like Alice in Wonderland, like pick a door. I love this so much. So I wanted to give it a little more, and I added these butterflies. I also got these from Amazon. They will also be linked in my storefront if you want to purchase these as well. They're so pretty, and it comes with a lot of butterflies, so you will have enough for a lot of things. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm going to see you all in the next one. Bye, loves.